Yeah, Chet, do you even notice that ASA TEE is one of the young kids here from Venda to even like do this music business the right way? You know what I'm saying? Like, I feel like it's one of them boys like to ever done it, like to ever like even for him to even distribute his own music. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's not one of those cats who like use like Dokofar, not saying like that I'm waiting for Dokofar because of Dokofar, like he has provided the way for most of the rap artists. If it wasn't for Dokofar, we wouldn't be knowing many of the artists, even though they were not getting paid, but somehow that shit has helped because of many artists didn't know about how to upload music, you know what I'm saying? So for even Dr. to even come with that idea to even like to, you know what I'm saying, to give vendor people some love where they can download music, even it was for free, but it helped as much. But I was checking even in his Spotify account, like the boy is doing the most, like he's sitting on 13.1 monthly listeners. You know what I'm saying? And even if you can check then his tracks like the move of horror, like they're sitting more than 150k streams, you know what I'm saying? Even all his tracks there, I think it's just one track which is not donated. No, it's not non-dead, but it's a track with JR Player, I think. That track is sitting around 68k, but all the other four tracks are sitting on over 100k streams. So that tells you that for young kids like that to even do those type of numbers, you know what I'm saying? Because of if you can compare, maybe it could be reaching million because of this YouTube, Spotify, Apple Music, iTunes. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? These are the platforms. So even for him to even get a specific number on Spotify, that means he's getting much. But there's something interesting that I find in that what I was looking for. So from vendor, what is the name of it? Oh, from vendor with love. So that is a joint EP between Android and ASA TEE. So when I'm checking the source that like you know what I'm saying, like distributed music, if it says ASA TEE in some of his music, it will say ASA TEE or it will say Asakundwe Mulauzi or it will just say Asakundwe only. But that one from Venda with EP, from Venda with Love, is different because of it saying with what? Late gang music. You know what I'm saying? Group. You know what I'm saying? So that means those publishing is owned by Late gang. But I've but Chad, tell me here, do you believe like if we are being for real, do you think that AD like is even if you can come to the streams like checking like if this guy is being paid for that shit because of you know what I'm saying, like even though because I'm just assuming it's not like I'm saying he did it, I'm just assuming because it's the music business, and when it comes to the music business everyone is corrupt, we know. It's just that there are many things that we cannot talk about it, you know what I'm saying, it's the topic for another day, you know what I'm saying. But I'm asking you, chat, you, if we're saying I think after that EP, I haven't seen any shit between Adroit and ASA TEE. Is there any track? Nah, I feel like nah. I feel like Adroit did ASA TEE bad, you know what I'm saying? And I'm not you know what I'm saying? But I feel like ASA TEE, your Adroit did ASA TEE bad because of Adroit you know what I'm saying, is spending. But I don't know. I'm just assuming. And you are going to say I'm not even speaking, but you know what I'm speaking about, you know what I'm saying? But I feel like maybe you know later Marat Baby. Professor. Marabel Nisto says that if was recurring la album, let's say you're streaming and then let's say chelete yao ndi 1,000. Do you feel like AD can give us a tree that sort of money? I don't believe it. I'd recruit that one. But I feel like maybe, I don't know. I'm just speaking out of the box from what I'm seeing. You know what I'm saying? Because we have to speak about what we are seeing. What you give us is what we respond on about, is what we commentate on. You know what I'm saying? Maybe. I don't know. But check. This one is the biggest topic that I want us to talk about. But we'll talk about it. Let's leave it.